guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all a-okay on this fine day. It is grey outside, it is miserable, so it's not fine. I lied. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Sorry if you can hear anything bashing against my teeth, or if you can hear me sucking anything at the moment. I have a soother in my mouth. I really feel like I'm getting ill, and I fly on holiday 2 weeks tomorrow, so if I'm ill it either needs to go ASAP or it needs to be a full illness ASAP so I can battle it ASAP, because this is just, no, I'm not getting ill for Disney. I'm not. I did it last time and I'm not doing it again. No, like, I need every piece of strength I have. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial that is one of my go-to looks. I have 3 go-to looks. One is like this one, which is a bit more makeup, one's a little bit more of less makeup, and one's a completely natural look. I am going to do all 3 tutorials at some stage. Today is going to be my bit more glamish one for you guys. Pretty much all I have to say. I'm trying some new products out that I haven't tried before, which I'm excited about as well. I have so many new items of makeup that I need to get like in a tutorial because I want to try it myself. So a lot of my new tutorials will have testing new makeup in and whatnot, so please forgive me for that. That is pretty much all I had to say. If you guys are interested in getting it from a thumbnail or just getting ready with me, then please keep watching. Hello, how are you? Right, first off I'm going to go with my Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Spray. That will always be my routine, constantly. So this is one of the new things that is new. It's from the brand Niod? Who knows? It is the Photography Fluid Opacity 12% Highlighting System. I picked up this one and the 8%. The 8% is more of a tan one, but I have fake tan on my face, so I'm not going to try that one today, but I'm going to try the 12%. I am a brush girl when it comes to primers, so I will be using a brush. So it says that I can use this under wow, it's like strobe cream but like more liquidy. That's nice. It said I can use it under makeup or instead of a liquid foundation to balance out undesirable skin tones and skin imperfections. I have that. I get very red. This formula can also be mixed with other products for a subtle hue correction, so I assume you can mix it with foundation as well, which I will probably do on holiday. I love mixing foundation with like a glowy base on holiday. It's one of my favourite things ever. I'm going to go with the MAC Prep and Prime Pore Refiner Stick. So this is amazing. I love this. We recently launched this and I brought it straight away, and we actually got gifted it from MAC from one of our updates. And I obsess over this. I recommend this to everyone, and I think it's amazing. I mainly focus it in the centre of the face. If you guys are oily, you'll love it because it's a bit mattifying, but it's not flat matte. It's not the matte that I don't like. Like, I use this every day, and you guys know I don't like matte. So I love that thing. Love it. I am going to be doing my brows off camera because I am filming a brow tutorial video that will be up very soon. So I will see you guys when these bad boys are on. So they look very scary and they look like Wolverine. I'm well aware of that. They won't look like that when we got the foundation and whatnot on. I will be trying this little baby. This is brand new to me. I don't know if it's brand new on the market. Why aren't you focusing? Thank you. I don't know if it's brand new on the market, but it is new to me. It's the Wet n Wild Focus Photofocus. That was so hard for me to say. Photofocus foundation. I have the shade Golden Beige. I am on day 1 of tan. This is the freshest fake tan, so hopefully it matches. Does no one else find the spatula just so satisfying? So I'm just gonna spatula that onto my skin. I don't know how much to use. I use a lot of foundation anyway. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E4 brush. It's just like a angled fluffy brush, and then I'm just gonna buff this out. Does this foundation say it is anything? Goodbye Photo Flashback. Helps eliminate white particles reflection. That's what it says. So it doesn't say if it's like mattifying or anything like that. so God knows. It doesn't say what kind of coverage. I assume if it's a photo kind of foundation that it should be more of the fuller coverage. I do feel like the foundation dries down fast. This is matte, isn't it? I don't like this. I feel like I look very powdery. I don't know if it's just me. I feel very powdery. I might just do a little layer on top with a sponge because I feel very powdery and I don't like that feeling. Damp sponge just on top. I don't know how I feel about this foundation. I've heard a lot of people rave about it. But the thing with me is like, I know straight away if I like something or not, and usually if I have to try with 2 different applicators, it means I don't like it. And I'm trying to like it. I'm not saying this is a bad foundation. I think it might just be because I don't like being matte. It could also be that Niod primer, I don't know how to say that brand. Could also be that, that's kind of throwing me off. At the moment it's a no from me. Go in with the NYX Duo Ended Sculpt and Highlight Sticks. I've got the shades, oh my god, 03 and 04. I'm just going to take 03. Do most of my work with this, and then I use 04 just to deepen it in certain areas. If you've tried this foundation, let me know what you think of it. I'm not sold in the slightest. No. I don't even like the coverage of it. It's a... Oh, I don't like it. What have I done? Ugh. I'm just going to go in with a small brush just to buff that out. It'll be fine. Get concealer and powder and that on and it'll be okay. It's okay, Soph. Don't worry. Oh, do you ever get to the stage where you just like, I just want to start all over? I'm feeling like that. Ah! It's okay. It's okay. I'm being over dramatic. Or am I? I just feel like things aren't even blending well on top of it. Ah! Don't start again. Don't do it. Just write it out. Write it out. Write it out. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. This is a new shade that I haven't tried yet. It's in the shade Medium. Lately I haven't been going as super light with my concealer. I've kind of just been going for like the same shade as my skin. More than anything, to be fair. And I've enjoyed it a lot more. This is the MAC Prep and Prime pen in Lightboost. And I just take a little bit of that. It's just pretty much a straight yellow. I just take that, my under eyes, Cupid's bow and forehead. Back with my baby sponge into the blend. Yeah, I really like going in with more of a concealer that kind of matches my skin. Because I always used to go for like the lightest one. And it would just be so bright. And obviously at the time I really liked it, but I've grown up since then, guys. Nearly 25 now. No one has a bright under eye at 25, I'll tell you that. I feel like I don't even need to set anywhere because this foundation is just so matte. What have I done? I'm going to go in with my usual loose foundation by MAC in the shade Extra Light. And just set those areas that I put concealer. I just feel this illness in my throat. And it's not doing anything. If it's a sore throat, I just need it to go. But if it's like the beginning of a cold, I need the cold to hurry up and like get out of me so that I can make it like go. Like it needs to come full force so that I can treat it and get better. Because this throat thing is killing me. So I've kind of mastered this eye look to the point where I feel like I can do all my whole base first. But if you guys feel like actually you want to try it, you do your eyes first, go ahead, that's fine. I'm going to go in with MAC Laying Low. This, my friends, is the best thing ever. I use this on everyone. Everyone. I love it. I love it so much. So, also with this look is it's very just go with it, do with it as you will. No 2 days for me wearing this look are the same, because I'll either add a bit more of a certain colour or I won't use as much of a, do you know what I mean? Like, I'll just play with it. I use a couple of my singles, and then I use this baby, which is the Juvia's Festival palette. Juvia's Place Festival palette. Looks like that, it's amazing. First I'm going to take this shade here, which is MAC Nylon. The best highlight colour ever. And it's so intense straight away. I love it. And then under the brows as well. Gotta lift those fur babies up. So I go in with Early Bird, which is a Makeup Geek colour. It's just kind of like an orangey. This is just a large fluffy blending brush. It might be a Morphe M441 brush. And I'll just be very like casual with this in where I'm putting it. I'm like, meh, wherever fits it best, I'll pop it. Like I said, this look is so, it's so me. It's just so casual, it's so relaxed. It's like do as you will or as you want kind of thing. Like there's no rules really. And then don't forget the lower lash line as well. And I go quite far down with this a bit. I'm then going to go in with Chrome Yellow by MAC. You can just use any yellow you want, of course. This is an M513 brush. That was the other one we used. This is this one. They look the same to me, if I'm honest. And then I just build that on top. Sometimes I'll do the yellow first. And sometimes I'll build it like this. Like I said, very casual. I'm pretty sure if you have like the Jaclyn Hill palette, you can use it. But this Juvia's Place that we're going to use in a sec is the best. If the Juvia's Place palette had a yellow in it, oh my god, I'd just use that constantly. Constantly. I'm going to take MAC Devil Blusher. It's just kind of like an orangey. A bit more orange based than the Early Bird from Makeup Geek. And this is a Zoeva 221 Luxe Soft Crease Brush. I feel like I haven't said that in so long. 221 Luxe Soft Crease Brush. And then lower lash. I kind of stick this one like more out a bit there. And then I'll blend the remaining through the eye. Like I won't straight away go in the eye with a lot of pigment. Then I go in with the Juvia's Place. Those three colours are the best things ever. If you just want to use this palette, you can go in with that and just do all this work as that. And then move on to these. I'm going to take this shade here. Like orange. Like it's gorge. And I like tap that mostly on the lid area. I tap it. Do you see how it's just kind of like brighten the eye and it's more like neon almost? And the lower lash as well. And then I'll go in with like the first brush we've used. And just buff the edges ever so slightly. And then I'll go in with the middle pinky shade. And I tend to pop this one. This one is a Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush. It's a bit more flat on the top. I tend to pop this one on the lower lash line only. So the lower lash line is kind of like a pinkier tone. Ever so slightly. And the darker red. And then literally just the outer corner with that bad boy. And then you can always go in with a shimmer on that bit. I love a matte Smokey. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. I like shimmers, but I'm very particular about when and where I want to use it. So I tend to just leave it like this. Like I said, you can add a shimmer in, you can add glitter, anything like that. I'm just going to add a bit more of nylon, just where we've missed a bit. Yeah. And then I will either go in with a nude waterliner or a brown. Kind of feeling a nude today. This is the MAC Studio Chromographic Pencil in the shade NW25/NC30. There we go. Just kind of evens out that and ever so slightly brightens the eye without giving like the stark white kind of look. I'm going to go in and curl my lashes and mascara and falsies, and I will let you know the falsies when I come back and we'll finish the face. But this is pretty much how the eyes look, and like I said, you can add a liquid liner, you can always add shimmer, you can always add glitter, anything you want. But because this is one of my go-to looks, it's kind of like one of my easy everyday, I usually don't add shimmer. But if I want to amp it up or go out, I usually go in with shimmer. But that's a lot of talk about shimmer and glitter. I'm going to go and do this now and see you in a sec. The lashes that I went for were Doll Beauty lashes in the style Brook. I am obsessed with Doll Beauty, doll lashes, doll highlighters, the whole shebang. So let's finish the face because I feel hella washed out. We won't dwell on that foundation anymore because I think I spoke about it enough. I'm going to go in with this. This is the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in the shade Golden. It is a face powder for your whole face. However, I use it as a bronzer. One of our new managers has just come from NYX as well. I think NYX is so cool. I love NYX. They do such colourful stuff and like out there stuff. It's nice. Then I'm going to go in with the new bronzer from NARS. But it's not new, but it's like new packaging and like new style. But it's in the shade Castino. And I'm just going to do my cheeks with that. I'm going to go in with MAC's Just Pinch Blusher. This is my favourite blusher ever. It's an extra dimension one, so it's got like a shine to it. And you guys know a highlight as well. I love highlight. This is a new product as well. This is the Wet n Wild. I love going unwild. Hello Halo liquid highlighter in the shade Goddess Glow. Thanks, Wet n Wild. I feel like a goddess too. It's a doe foot applicator. However, I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, like so, just because that's how I'm most comfortable with applying liquid highlighter. And I just get it on the tip of a beauty blender or a Morphe sponge, whatever it's called. You guys know I don't really take my liquid highlights anywhere apart from my cheekbones because on me it just doesn't look right. It starts to crack foundation and whatnot. And then the powder highlight is an oldie but a goodie. It's the Kiko 208 eyeshadow. When was the last time you saw someone use this, eh? Been a minute, huh? So I Cupid's bow the hell out of highlight. Tip of the nose, in between the brows. I do slightly above the brows, not much, just excess product goes there. And then just over that liquid. Oh, she's very close to being ready. Then I'm going to set it all down because I'm happy with the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. I'm going to go in with MAC's Cork Lip Liner. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC Jamie Genevieve lipstick. This lip is not for the faint-hearted. It is very different. If I don't use Cork, sometimes I use Strip Down, which is a lighter brown, but I mean, I feel bougie. What about you? So then guys, this is the completed makeup look. It is one of my 3 go-to makeup looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think of this because I don't like it. I don't like it. I will try it with other primers, give it another go, but so far it's a no. It's a definite no from me. But yeah, until next time, I will see you guys very soon. As always, let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below. I am on holiday, so these are pre-filmed, but when I get back, let me know as well. And yeah, let me know what to buy in Sephora, because we can't even view the Sephora website anymore at all, because they won't sign the data protection, which I don't get why. But anyway, that's enough of a rant. Have I ranted enough about this foundation? Yeah, until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!